I love easy and simple lunch or dinner ideas that I can whip up within minutes and they turn out mouth-watering. So in this recipe, I'll be showing you how to make pan-fried potatoes, which are going to be very flavorful and well seasoned. And also I'm going to be showing you how to make some pan-fried sausages, zucchinis and carrots, and I'm going to be plating together with some very refreshing lettuce salad. The recipe is going to be very basic and you're going to find all the ingredients listed in the description box. So I'm going to get straight into making this delicious recipe. So you'll start off by peeling around 8 to 10 medium potatoes. Then you're going to wash and chop into bite-sized pieces or medium pieces. So I'm going to use my knife, cut my potatoes in half and into quarters. Then I'm going to cut into medium sizes, transfer to a bowl with water. Make sure all the potatoes are the same size so that they can cook evenly. I absolutely love cooking using potatoes because they're very filling, they're delicious and easy to season. When done, you're going to wash your potatoes several times until the water runs clear. That is to get rid of the excess starch because potatoes are super starchy. My potatoes are nice and clean. So I'm going to place a pot over medium flame and add in enough water to parboil my potatoes. So I'm going to add in 3 cups. Then I'm going to transfer in my potatoes. Add in some salt to season the potatoes. Cover, let the water come to a boil. Then I'm going to boil the potatoes for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, I'm going to put out the flames. Then I'm going to drain off the water from the potatoes. And once done, my potatoes are halfway cooked. So I'm going to pick a pan for pan frying my potatoes and add in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil over medium heat. I'm going to wait for the potatoes to cool a little bit as the cooking oil is getting hot so that the excess moisture can escape. Also, I'm going to be pan frying some zucchini, carrots and sausages, which are going to turn out delicious. Place in my potatoes. I'm going to shake my potatoes a little bit, then I'm going to cook for around a minute without disturbing the potatoes. While my potatoes are pan frying, I'm going to mince my garlic. This is 4 cloves of garlic. I love cooking with garlic because it adds in lots of flavor. So even if I'm not adding in any spices to my food, I'm going to throw in some garlic. Place my garlic aside. Pick my carrots. Slice thinly. Pick my zucchini. I'm going to be using half of the zucchini. Also thinly slice my zucchini. The zucchinis are escaping. Pick my sausages and cut into medium sizes, just like this. My last sausage, then I'm going to toss my potatoes so that they can brown or cook on the other side. Then I'm going to transfer to another burner. pick a pan and place over medium flame and add in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, not 2, 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Make sure the potatoes are in a single layer, and because my cooking oil is ready, I'm going to add in my garlic and saute for around 30 seconds until the garlic is fragrant. Reduce the flames to low, then you're going to toast the sausages with the flavorful cooking oil. Check on my potatoes and flip. I'm going to cook my sausages for around 2 minutes and they'll get that nice golden brown color. And the reason I've reduced the flames to low is because I don't want the garlic to burn. So we are slowly cooking the sausages as they absorb in the seasoning. When your sausages are looking this delicious, you're going to add in your carrots and zucchini on one side. Cook for around 30 seconds so that the carrot can soften up a little bit before mixing in with your sausages. If you notice that your pan is drying out, you can add in a tablespoon of more cooking oil so that everything can cook together. After a minute, you're going to toss in everything. Then next, you're going to add in your seasoning. So I'm going to be adding in some black pepper. Then I'm going to be adding in some soy sauce, around a tablespoon. Add in oyster sauce. And both oyster sauce and soy sauce have salt, so I'm not going to be adding in more salt to my pan-fried veggies and sausages. Immediately the soy sauce hits the pan, we're going to catch a very nice flavor. So that's what I'm looking for. Check on my potatoes. They're cooking nicely and getting a very nice color. Back to my sausages, and I'm going to be cooking for around 1 to 2 minutes until the zucchini softens up and the carrot are softened up also. Remember, I thinly sliced my vegetables, so it's going to be very easy for me to stir fry my veggies. This is looking so yum. Over here I have lettuce salad that I prepared earlier on and placed it in the fridge. And I'm going to be plating with my lettuce salad, which is very crunchy and refreshing. So if you want to learn how to make some lettuce salad, you can check up here or in the description box for the full recipe. To my potatoes, I'm going to be adding in some seasoning. So I'll add in a little bit of black pepper, paprika, and salt to fully season my potatoes. Listen to the crunch. Toss everything. Check on my veggies together with sausages. The zucchini are softened up because you can see it's very flexible and the carrots are well cooked. The soy sauce has added in a very nice umami flavor, which is so good. So I'm ready to serve my delicious pan-fried veggies and sausages together with my pan-fried potatoes, which are seasoned with paprika, black pepper, and salt. I'm already munching on my pan-fried potatoes because they're crunchy on the outside and they're seasoned to perfection. And my stir-fried sausages and vegetables is also delicious, filled with a very nice umami flavor. The lettuce salad balances off the dishes because it's refreshing, it's crunchy, and very nutritious also. Now, this is a lunch worth trying or a dinner which you're going to be enjoying at the comfort of your home, and it's going to take you less than 30 minutes to prepare.